My sister's coming on Sunday.
Where?
Yeah, they have a place at Davys for Sunday to Thursday. So she's going to stop in here on the way there. You know, until she has to check in at 2 o'clock.
No, you're rubbing them saying, I don't have to do that anymore.
Yeah, he did. Well, they want a place too, but you know. Everybody wants one till it comes time to get one. There's one for sale. How much they want for that one? On the back road, there's a for sale sign.
He was big one.
Does he? There's no phone number on it.
20 grand, it ain't worth 8.
Oh, geez.
Oh, you always get something to try, you know.
Yeah. He thinks it's worth that much. What is that gray building? Is that a restaurant, Davy?
Was that
Right there.
That they just built.
Yeah. There's a big tank outside.
I don't know what they're like at the new store, maybe. Probably a store. Make it at the top of the campground. Everything's with a gate. See the thing that comes down for the road?
Yeah.
Put it to the right. You can see it. Like at a railroad crossing, it comes down.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you're only allowed, like you and your wife, and I guess they allow your 2 kids. Anybody else has to pay $5 a day. They meter everything. And you lose 2 months.
That's what the rest of us do, remember? And they get something and find out.
I mean, they got a pool. But, you know, go swimming in the ocean, right?
I have a hose.